Welcome back to the Orca channel. My name is Rod. So in this episode we're going to get the quarter knees, which are the little triangular pieces that join the transom to the inwales or the sidewalls of the boat to give it a bit of strength or to give it that traditional look. So let's get to it. Alright, well, seems that likely a pattern. Just going to use some scrap ply and cut that out. And that's bang right on. Now we need to measure the bevels. Lay that straight across. We need to find out what is actual straight across. Level across there. The angle changes, so I'm going to cut this again. It's just a slight different angle. Okay, so that's it. Now, that being level, I need to know what the bevel is to the inwale. And we're going to mark that bevel on here. So that is the bevel undercut required there. Now that's level across there then. That will be the bevel on this side. Do a test on this scrap piece of ply. It gives us an idea of the size and shape of the knees. And then we'll go and maybe make a little pattern with French curves. So let's say we measure out, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch from there, 3/4 of an inch, no, this way, here, like that. Flip this over to be like that. And then we're looking for a curve. Say we go parallel to that edge there for a bit. Parallel with that edge there. Just a little bit. Then we're just looking for a big curve in here. Might very well do to just find something that is round enough. It looks like that. This container here will work just perfectly. Is that a big enough knee? Seems to me I'd like a little thicker in here. So, come out a little bit further then. Come out 1 inch. I think I like that one better, so we're not cutting on that line. I'm going to cut on that line. I think it looks a little odd. I think I've kind of done this a bit backwards, because theoretically it should be probably longer forward. It should go in that way. Which means it should fit on the other side. And I should be able to get both of these out of this piece with the grain running nicely across. I'll take these to the bandsaw. The thing that's bothered me about this little bevel, which is a nice piece of tooling from Lee Valley, is that whenever you tightened it down, the wing nut used to stick out. So I don't know why I didn't think of it before, but I just put a couple of small washers in there, because that's extremely frustrating when you're trying to set bevels. You're never sure if you're off by a degree or two because wing nut is touching the surface. Okay, I have kind of just cleaned up that bevel on the disc sander, and we've got a perfect fit there. And we just need to tidy up the bevel on this edge, the bandsaw. And it looks like this knee, because of the bevel here, creates more than a 1 1/4 inch height. So if I lay that down to the bottom of the in-whale, you know, we're going to have some material that I can probably remove to get a nice fit. But first, we'll go and clean up the other one. So I suspect there's a tiniest bit of curve to this, because it is rocking in the middle just ever so slightly, right about there. Well, I'm pretty happy with that fit. So now it's just making the opposite side. Then I need to clean up the inside here, shave down the height. So I go to the underside of the in-whale. I would suggest that we just come through Okay, so the difficult part is how to clamp it. You need to clamp it hard so it's not moving, but I don't want to put so much pressure on here that I just split this. I'm just going to get the bench plane here and start. Okay, well, we're pretty close. I think we can take a smaller hand plane to it. And with the quarter knees in the boat, it's time to put the breasthook, or what most people call a small deck, up at the bow of the boat. So that's going to be the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Hey, if you like this video, please consider giving me that thumbs up or even become a subscriber. See you next time.